Today we're going to talk about a day in the life of the macrobiotic lifestyle. So as promised, I wanted to show you the whole house water filter. I think it's important which brand you use, but you could look into it and buy any type of whole house water filter that you think is appropriate. The one we use simulates natural spring water. It has layers of sediment that the water filters through. It alkalizes the water. We want to be alkaline, not acidic. Acidity causes lots of health problems, from heartburn to cancer. And it also puts negative ions into the water. So when you shower, you're showering it's like showering in a mountain stream or a waterfall. And then I wanted to point out also we keep our bicycles in here. So not only do I do exercise indoors in the morning, but every day at some point I make it a point to get out on my bicycle, or we live right at the beach. I make it a point to get over to the beach and take a swim in the ocean or a walk on the beach. Very important to do outdoor exercise in fresh, healthy air.